baby. Let's do some donuts. What's up, everybody? We're at Jimmy's shop. Me and old Robbie Poo. We're going to dyno the Bird Turd. What do you think it's going to make?
Man, I hope it's
only 10 pounds of boost.
I think it's upper fives. That's what I'm thinking.
Our goal is 500, and then we always can turn up the boost. So
right.
let's see what it makes, brother.
Turn up the boost.
Oh, we will turn up the boost.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Close up.
Jimmy, what do? You put that to your what?
I can feel it on this side. About to blow my head
Oh,
off.
I love these guys. It's awesome. Crazy. Try and put more boost to it, baby.
Heck yeah.
Dude, you see this thing when they hammered on it? I thought it was gonna fly.
You make jokes about it.
Seriously,
I think yours is gonna be the one.
It would have been awesome if it would have flew off. Viral City.
No joke.
Then we could tell the insurance people we hit a deer. I love these guys. Hear that turbo whistling, baby? Oh, I think it made more of that. I'm not sure. How much did it make? 560. 560, baby.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's a little close.
It is, dude, for a little cheap junkyard motor. Hey,
Heck yeah.
junkyard motor. I would tell you how much it costs, but I'm afraid my lady's gonna watch it. But
Yeah.
hey, ain't nothing wrong with 560. You know
Heck
what?
no, there's nothing wrong with 560.
How much boost is that? I don't know. We'll see what he says.
So if we let it cool off, turn the boost cut off up to continue bit, it'll do 60.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm happy with that, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Cool, boys. What are you boys up to? That's a good looking bet. I like it. Go on green, but hey, let's smoke some tires, son. Hey, I might go on red. Oh, heck. Oh, too fun, too fun. All right. Hey, Rob. Dude, we made 530. Oh, we made 560, didn't we?
560.
So here's the deal. Our next goal, 600, dude. Put a boost controller on it, a few little things. Oh, yeah!
Heck yeah.
Woo! Oh, man, I'm having a blast, dude. Hey, I'm glad you come out, dude. Hey, all you guys watching, hey, next time we're on the dyno, we're going for at least 600.
Yes.
So that'll be our goal.
That's the next goal,
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome, dude. These guys in the vets are buddies, man. They're cool as can be. Look at it. That's a good looking van, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Heck yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, will that thing smoke the tires? Okay. Get it, Mark. Hey, what'd you guys think about the dyno?
Oh,
Like,
that was
hey,
freaking awesome.
we was honestly on the way over here. I thought if I could make 500, perfect. I mean, it ain't a race truck, just something to play with.
Yeah.
I thought it was perfect.
It
So
was.
now our goal, like for next time, we could try to make 600. I mean,
Right.
it'd be cool. So put a boost controller, put some little things on it, try to get 600. But right now, super happy with 560.
Me
Yeah,
too.
for sure.
That's awesome.
You need to do that to that vet, son.
Oh,
Liars
I'll work
is.
on it.
Heck yeah. I want to thank Jimmy Bulls because he always tuned it. He's super cool. Let's just put it on the dyno.
Yeah.
Really good for him.
Super cool,
Yeah. Heck yeah. Don't put that in the video because I don't want to give him the big head.
Oh,
but
no,
you
no,
know.
I'll cut it. You know I'll cut it.
Heck yeah. Rob, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm driving this thing.
You're driving?
Oh, I'm driving.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Huh?
We're gonna really see
Yeah,
what's
we're going to hit that two-step, baby.
Heck yeah.
Let's do it, man. Hey, if you're driving, you're definitely buying supper. Oh, man, we got Rob driving the little Bird Turd. First time you ever drove it, right? Yeah, cool, dude. Hey, this truck is so freaking fun. Rob's getting ready to find out. Dude, all right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh! First time we drive it, we dang near wreck it. I love it. right, guys, we dynoed the Bird Turd tonight, made 560. Super happy with that. Just a junkyard motor. And now we're ready. Well, I was hoping we would tear it up for Saturday night. Saturday night, we're putting on another big cruise in. We're going to try to do this like 2 or 3 times a year. It was awesome last time, everybody getting together, hanging out, doing burnouts. Awesome. But I'm glad you guys are watching. Heck, we're growing like crazy, baby.
Hey, next time, these cruises, you guys need to come
Yeah, baby, it's worth it.
Come for a drive.
Heck yeah. But peace out, guys. We're out.
Oh, heck yeah. Will the Bird Turd make 600 horsepower? You guys got to stay tuned in to find out. Keep watching. Like, subscribe. Do it.